Hi everyone, this is Sakshi and today is day 7th of English Speaking Challenge, and today I am here to speak on topic that is how consistency is more important than motivation. Many people what they do, they waste their time by watching motivational videos, famous person speeches and audios or songs so that they can feel motivated. But that motivation is temporary. It is not permanent. It will not give you success and and how we get success, and that is consistency. Through consistency only and discipline only we can get success. Motivation is definitely temporary. Motivation can start your journey but it cannot finish your journey. Consistency can finish your journey. For example, athlete practice daily athlete practice daily, singers practice daily, doctors practice daily, business owners or professionals, they work daily. They do not need their mood or motivation to become successful. So that's why they are at their position. So for instance, take one more example that tree can grow in tree cannot grow in one day. It takes time. So, same as success. Success cannot come in one day, it will take time. Let's, for example, I'm telling you one thing that one student has seen motivational videos, listened to speeches and or songs, and now today he is motivated and he is saying that today I will work for study for 10 hours, and next day he is becoming lazy, he is becoming less sincere and he is not studying. And another side there is another student who is not motivated, who is consistently working for only 2 hours and for over a 1 year. So definitely the second one will be more successful than first one. So motivation is temporary and consistency will give you an edge. So it depends to you how to use you, whether you chose motivation or consistency. There are many several videos online for motivation, but consistency is something that comes from your inner self. It depends on your mind, how you control your mind and how you consistently work for that. So motivation, anyone can take motivation and every time they need, because there are plenty of videos available. But for consistency you have to work for your inner self, right? And consistency don't only help you to become successful, it bring you self confidence, it build your self confidence, and for success it matters the most. For instance, I am saying this and I am also following this in my life because I know that consistency will definitely bring success in my life. I regularly studies daily, whether it is 6 hours, 8 hours, or someday 2 hours. But I study little by little daily so that I can become consistent, and my performance will go better day by day. For example, I am making this video and I will be consistent till 365 days, so that my English fluency will increase and I will become successful. So I think that consistency is very important in everyone's life, whether it be athlete, whether it be uh, doctor, engineer, anything, or student. Mainly for students, because somebody at position can become inconsistent for some days, but students have to become consistent daily so that they can edge their life and touch the touch their aim that they are wishing for. And examinations like banking, SSC or UPSC, they demand consistent hard work daily. So I think that you all have understood what is consistency and what is the importance of consistency. And consistency is what that it develops your habit, and habit build your success. In previous video yesterday I was talking about the power of habit, and power of habit comes when you follow consistency. Habit, consistency, and discipline makes you successful. Motivation is just a line of thought. It does not give you as success as you desire. So it depends on you how you choose your life. You will choose your life and you will choose your destiny. Destiny is not planned. Destiny, you create your destiny. If we create our if we don't does I know they are saying that some gods create destiny, but in my opinion we create our destiny, because then what is the difference between we and animals? So consistency is really consistency is really important. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Meet you in next video.